Today, I'm crafting a custom wooden light stand with a unique organic pattern. Let's see how it's made. I started by sketching a freehand pattern. Then, I drilled pilot holes to create entry points for the saw blade. Using a scroll saw, I carefully followed the lines to cut out. To give the cutouts a professional, rounded look, I used a router to smooth out the sharp edges. I used a rotary tool to reach those tight corners. Sanding is key to ensuring the wood feels as good as it looks. Choose suitable dimensioned lumber for the project. Adhere the LED strips onto the 4 wooden surfaces. Applying a natural oil finish to bring out the wood grain. It's time for the final reveal. Now, I'm going to line the 4 sides with traditional Hanji paper, securing it with a bit of spray adhesive. Once the paper is set, carefully cut away the overlapping Hanji around the edges to complete the look. Secure the parts together with screws to complete the assembly. And here it is. The light creates such a warm, cozy atmosphere. What do you think of the pattern?